Welcome back to Mod Wheels. Today we are doing an unboxing. We do have the Modern Classics cases, and if you've been here or seen some of the other videos, you know the deal. You know what we're trying to do here. But for all the new people, I did get a subscription to the Stop Car Culture boxes, which what I have right in front of me, and we're getting 2 boxes of each, trying to get these gold chases here. And I was hoping that since we are on, what would be, which way? Hoping to be on the number 4 car. I haven't got the BMW yet. I do have a buddy. I do believe we're gonna do some trading to get that BMW. At least I hope I think I got locked in. I have to talk to him, get back. Whatever, it doesn't matter. So we're hoping to get some of these chases. We do get 2, like I said, 2 of the full cases from One Stop. We do have the subscription, so we're gonna be getting cases from all 8 of these this year. And I do have to admit, I did a little cheating on this last case. I did get another case of the Power Trip trying to get the chase, because last time I got them, it was right before a show, and I ended up doing really well selling all those cars. So I tried another case, and we'll go to that video. All right, we're just gonna try to do this quick. Actually, before we start, let's get the case code. Where is A2? So second release. Maybe we can get lucky. Fudge. And as you can see, we didn't score again on that one. So yeah, like I said, I got a buddy. Hopefully we're trading, but anyways, we're hoping maybe with this case we can score this Mercedes that's in there, and let's just get into it. And we do have lovely packing peanuts to keep our cases safe, but make for sometimes a mess. Let's see if we can, oh, yep, there they go. There's number 1. There's number 2. And if I do sound funny, I've been a little under the weather this week, so have to bear with me on that one. And they're gonna be, it looks like S case. Is that right? S case. A1. I think they're all gonna be A1 because since it's the first release, we're gonna get all A1 here. So we'll see. If you guys have been watching, you know the score that's going on right here with how many how many gold chases we've hit, and I would like to increase that today, hopefully. But we'll see. And I am actually really excited for this case in particular, because let's make sure. Here, we want to go that way. I am really excited for this case before we get into it, just because there's a ton of cars. I mean, I like every car in here. There's one that's a little weak, but that's all right. Uh-oh. What is going on there? Huh. A piece of cardboard. I'm trying not to look. Let's go ahead and get into it. First car. Toyota Soarer in gold. Very cool car. That's I'm probably keeping one from this whole set. I'm not a set collector. I'm sure I've said that before, but I'm really digging those. And in gold with gold wheels, man, that thing's pretty good. And this should, I think, the same car. Yep, same car. Toyota Soarer, and I don't know what car replaces the chase, so hopefully we can try to avoid that till the end. Oh my god, the Porsche. I am a big Porsche fan, and this thing is absolutely sick. That thing's awesome. Gonna be another Porsche. Yep, another Porsche. Might have to do 2 of these. Keep one in the package and one to open. We're gonna go to the end just to try to get a surprise here. The Mazda. And the 323 is probably the weakest one for me in this case, which I still actually really like it, and the livery is actually pretty cool. I like all the colors they used on it. I'm not sure if that's pulling from an actual car. I'm sure there's some inspiration there somewhere, but I actually really like that one as well. And we got another one. What's next? Oh, look at that. There's a little Ferrari stamp. I haven't noticed that. So that is the Testarossa. This thing is sick. That's definitely going to be a keeper. I love 80s and 90s cars, and Testarossa is no exception. Definitely keeping that one. Here's the other Testarossa. And we know what the last one is. That is going to be a 240. The 270R. That thing is super cool as well. Big S14 fan. I like all the 240s. You guys know I love all the JDM cars. That thing is super cool as well. Last car in there. It'd be nice if it was a chase. Unfortunately, another 240. It's been a rough one, and I got a little cardboard. These cars must have been a little small or something. Well, let's go. One more box. Come on. I don't want to see what's in there. Which way? We'll go this way. Once again, we'll just rip through these. Mazda. And Mazda. Is that Ferrari next? Oh, officially licensed product. That's cool. I never noticed the stickers. I'm gonna have to go back and look. See if they're on all of those. I don't remember that. And the 240. Ferrari. I should probably go the other way. What am I doing? Yep. Lexus. Oh, I said Lexus. It's Toyota, but same thing. Soar again. We got Porsche. Yep. Come on. We got two left. Porsche again. One last car. I don't have a good feeling, and I can't grab it. Come on. We are just taking a beating on these. We had good luck on the first one, unfortunately. Nothing on this one. Let's there you go. There's the set. Really good looking set though. I'll be happy to have all these cars. Fortunately, we didn't get our gold chase, so we'll see. I think I might be able to sell some of these cars pretty easy, so I may end up getting some more boxes, which I guess we'll show in the next video. Which we are all caught up on videos, which I know last time I said we were trying to get caught up. We were finally caught up. So this will be going out the day after I received it on Sunday, which would be tomorrow. I think that's what's the date? Knock everything over. That'd be the 29th. So, man, maybe we'll have better luck if we get the later cases. I'm not sure. This is just, man. I'll throw up the counter.
I love gold.
Throw up the counter over there. You see, we've We've only hit 2, taking a beating. Hopefully maybe the next 2 cases. I know you guys have seen the next 2, which are gonna be some hitters. And your boy needs a win on this for sure. So hopefully we can do that. We'll see on the next one. And if anybody has either of these, the Benz or the BMW, hit me up, let me know. I got some trades. But hopefully you enjoyed this one, and I hope to see you guys on the next one.